So if you haven't heard of Run 3, it was this Flash game that was released in 2013. It was basically a platformer with a decent storyline. Anyways, this game is basically 2.5D, so that means that it plays like 3D, but it's actually 2D. But since 2013, we have better technology. So in this video, I will be Before I made the Unity project, I needed to make the characters, but this game has multiple characters, so that's why I will only be recreating the main guy and the skater. So after about 30 minutes, here's the normal guy. After that, I basically gave the guy skates and then put him in Unity. After that, I added an outline to the player and put in the original skybox. So for the player movement, what I will be doing is I will make the player move forward and jump and go left and right just like a normal character. Since Run 3 was a 2D game, I can make him move backwards too. So let's get started. And here is what we have so far. But now, this is the part that took me the longest to figure out. Gravity change. I tried this myself and also I looked everywhere on Google, Facebook, MySpace, MSN and Roblox and couldn't find answers. If you guys know how to make this work, please message me on my Discord server or comment on this video. Keep in mind, I'm not really an expert coder. Anyways, if you guys weren't aware, the original Run 3 had this really clean and smooth transition to the next level, which I'm going to try to recreate. Also, for the second level, I will try to make an incredibly hard level on my own. So let's get started. Now I have finished. So you can see this level has more tricky sections, and I even recreated the falling blocks which were in the original game, which break a little too fast. Alright, let's beat this shit. Oh, damn. Yes? Yes? You're so Alright, I'm locked in now. Let's go, man! Finally, bruh! Also, I tried to implement the smooth transition, but it turned out pretty shit. So the game only has 2 levels because I didn't really want to make the ton of levels this game has. There's also a main menu which I try to replicate from the original Run 3 as well. After that, I set up the store page and made a logo. Anyway, so you guys can actually play this game with the link in the description. It's not very good, just like all of my games, but give it a try. Anyways, subscribe, like, comment, and bye.